Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and you're gonna learn about Math.ceil. So, what it does is return the smallest integer greater than or equal to the given number. But a reminder though, it's return integer 0 and doesn't not give uh, n in n, which means not a number. So let me show you, walk it through. So first, remove those. We will log it on a console. Math object with ceil, CEIL, and point none 5. It will show the one because it is the nearest round number, so 1. Let me show you another. This time what we do is put a round number itself. So we like 4, it will show 4. If we do like log math.ceil, put -7.004. So what's gonna happen? It will show -7. So now, what I talking about earlier is, if you do like log math dot ceil and pass an argument of null, what's gonna happen? It will show you 0. This is what I talking about earlier. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.